Have you been feeling jittery, nervous, anxious, or maybe you just can't sit still? Then you may want to follow along with me. I'm going to demonstrate a short and simple, gentle movement sequence where we sense into our body and our different body parts and see where those emotions may sit, because emotions sit in our body, and we may want to sense into these emotions to help them move along and move through our body while we do this movement. And sometimes these emotions may just sit there, and that's okay too. So it's a matter of sensing into them and locating them, and then not judging yourself for feeling them, and then allowing them to be there until they are ready to move through your body. So I'm Katharina. I'm a registered clinical counsellor and a registered dance movement therapist here in beautiful Australia. And I have just come back from a holiday in Germany visiting relatives, and I have broken my wrist while ice skating. So I'll be taking it easy while my hand is still in a cast. And I would like to encourage you to please seek medical advice from your trusted medical professional, such as your doctor, if you are concerned for your health, before making any changes in your lifestyle. And I would encourage you to take it very easy with your body, move with where your body's at any given moment in time. I've also got a free reflection tool for you to download in the description box of this video. It's free, and it helps you track your body sensations, the feelings and thoughts you experience while you do this movement exercise, and also before and after. So that helps you with your self-reflection and with your self-development, and it helps you sense into and question yourself around what it is that you may need to do for yourself as a result of feeling those feelings, and you may gain more clarity as a result of doing this movement sequence, and also as a result of using that reflection tool. In any case, you're also welcome to do any kind of movement. It will always help you to move your body if you're feeling strong emotions, or if you just can't sit still and you just need a little bit of a jiggle. And you may want to go for a walk, or you may want to engage in your regular exercise, and then sense into how your body is feeling different afterwards. So let's get right into it. As always, let's place our hands on our belly if you're comfortable. If you're not, you're welcome to leave them hanging to the side, and we're going to take a deep belly breath, feeling our belly expand on the inhale. You may close your eyes and exhale through the mouth. Again. And exhale through the mouth. One more time. Feel your belly expand, and now you may leave your hands hanging to the side, and we're going to start sensing into the ground through our feet. So just how the ground supports us through our feet. And you may want to start gently swaying from side to side, just shifting your weight from one foot to the other. So you can see I'm moving from one side to the other. Just sensing into that ground underneath you, feeling supported. Keeping your knees soft. And you may want to involve your knees gently in that movement. Be aware of any pre-existing injuries that you may have. You don't want to aggravate any of them, so you may want to adjust your movement, and so that you feel comfortable and don't cause yourself any aggravation of those injuries. And as we move our knees, our hips start moving along. So feel your feet swaying and shifting weight, your knees getting involved, your hips getting involved. And that makes me feel the bottom of my spine, so in the tailbone area. And if you've watched other videos on this channel, particularly the one on sensing into the spine, you will know that there's that connection that we call head-tail connection. So if you move your tailbone, there may be a response that comes through in your head, even just very subtly and gently. Unless you may have some tension and blocks in between. So that's just worth noting. There's no need to judge. Just noticing any body sensations that you may have, maybe tingling or tension. And as we move, our hips, our shoulders may want to get involved. Just very gently. And again, just sensing if there's any tension, sensing if we notice any feelings and emotions sitting in any parts of our body. Noticing them, locating them, allowing them to be there, and seeing if they want to move while we move through our body. If you're feeling any tension, see if that tension releases gently, slightly through this movement. And since it's not a preset exercise, you also can just let your body go along with this movement. So you don't have to exactly copy what I'm doing, but just following the sense of what we're doing here. So, and that can become a bit of an improvisation. See, my elbows are getting involved. The one wrist that's working is getting involved. And my head is also getting involved. Even though it does feel a bit funny, maybe a little bit out of sync from the rest of my body. And that's just worth noting as well. So keep going with that. Sensing into your body. Staying connected with your breath. You may want to take a few more conscious deep breaths while you move. Making the exhale longer, because that does calm your nervous system and puts you into a parasympathetic state, which is what I talk about in other videos as well. And the other part you want to be really conscious of is your center around your navel, your core. And even though you may not be fully engaging your abdomen, it's very useful to be aware of that center of our body, because that's where our movement initiates and then radiates out into the rest of our body. So if we're feeling aware of our center, we can then become more aware of where that movement leads and where the energy goes within our body. And since we're doing a very short movement sequence, you can let this go for as long as you like or put it on repeat. And I will gently invite you to let this come to a close, very gently. So gently involving less body parts, letting your movement become slower, gentler, quieter, calmer. And coming back to that sway that we had at the very start. Sensing into your feet and how they are supported by the ground, swaying from side to side. Noticing and sensing into your body, even any subtle shifts and differences. It's okay if you don't notice it yet. Just stay with it and come to almost stillness. And just to finish it off, we're going to take a couple of deep breaths in again and take our arms up high, go into your knees and stretch above our head if that's available to you. And going into your knees again, one more time. Stretch and exhale through your mouth. Thank you so much for joining me in this short movement sequence. I hope you were able to make sense of your jitters and move through them and maybe release some of them. Let me know what you would like to see more of and what you may want to understand better. Maybe you've got some questions. I welcome any feedback. And I've got, remember, the free reflection tool for you to download in the description box of this video to make sense of your body sensations, thoughts, and feelings. And I've also linked a book for you down below if you want to learn more about the Bartenieff fundamentals. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.